All right, so we're currently actively doing a brake job. We just got done with one side. My hands are somewhat dirty. They're not crazy dirty, but when you're doing brake jobs, you've got a kind of like a film, you know, brake fluid and all that. It's really slick, and so it's clear liquid, but it's really slick liquid. So we're gonna start off with doing grip clean, the one that I know works, right? So grip clean. How much was it? It was a 13 bucks or something like that per.
Yeah. Little 30.
So they didn't have a 72 pack, so I got I got 3 of these. There are 30 of them in it. They're 13 bucks a piece. And let's go ahead and open up. Oh, they smell good. Big fan of grip clean, so I'm excited to try the other product that I'm going to try. Compare these two. As you know, Tub of Towels did not win, so we're on to grip clean versus the next one. If I can get it open, there we go. Come on. The first towel is always the hardest towel. There we go. All right, so here we go. Here we go. There we go. Dirty hands, both hands dirty. Now let's try this. Now what I like about grip clean, it is very abrasive. It's extremely abrasive, and you can tell it's getting in there. Now, obviously, hand wipes and tool wipes like this aren't your permanent hand washing situation, but with these grip clean cloths, you know, I'll wash my hands with these, and then I'll go eat. I'll go play with my daughter. You know, I'll do all sorts of things, because when you're done washing your hands with these, you don't have that griminess. You know, you don't have that, like, Tub of Towels, for instance. And, you know, I'm not sponsored by Grip Clean or Crocodile Cloth, I think. We'll see when I open it. Wish I was, but one of the two, because it depends how good Crocodile Cloth is. But anyways, just leaves a great feeling on your hands. Again, here is the rag. Now you can see how much just came off of this thing. Throw that aside. Look at those hands. Look at those hands. Extremely clean, you guys. Smell good. They feel good. They're not sticky, they're not tacky, they're not slimy. So, tough competition, boys, tough competition. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the other part of the brake job, come back to the second part of this review of this comparison to compare grip clean versus Crocodile Cloth. So I'm hoping these do really well. This is a 100 pack, so I'll talk about this when we talk about it. Really happy with grip clean. Actually probably gonna go get some lunch right now, and then do the second part of the brake job. If you missed the brake replacement video of the front calipers, make sure you check it out. Good quick video for you guys if you want to learn how to replace calipers. All right, so now we just got done with the other side of the brakes for this job, and you can see here, my hands are somewhat dirty. They're not crazy dirty, but we have Crocodile Cloth here, 100 of these. I don't remember what it cost to me. Let me look up real quick. Original 100 count is $21.99. The auto count was $22.99 right here. There you go, $22.99 is what it costed me. Much cheaper than Grip Clean. So I'm curious to see how their stuff goes versus Grip Clean's. I got the auto because it pertains to the basically what I do, right? Sorry, I'm down here. Basically what I do. Okay, so it has a little thing on here. You gotta peel that off. Crocodile Cloth. Did I get a sticker? I don't have to see at the end. All right, so these ones are white. Oh, dude, these, oh, come here, dude. Oversized, pre-moistened, cleaning costs. Smell that.
Baby wipe?
I don't know. Dude, that's not what Jade's baby white smell like. All right. So these are a lot softer, so I'm very curious. They're large. They're a lot softer. Now let's see how they do. These are the auto ones, specifically auto ones, right? I'm gonna give it just as much time as I gave Grip Clean. I will do it as good as I can. It's doing a fairly good job. Now, the thing is I wanna point out, like I said, my biggest thing with like Tub of Towels was the fact that your hands felt really slimy when you were done using it. So I'm curious to see how this does. So far, it's doing really great. The cloth is starting to dry out. I did one hand on one end of this. So far, I'm happy. Let's go the other hand. Oh, the other hand got clean just by holding it. Let's see, designed specifically for mess, created by gearheads, mechanics, and grease monkeys. Oil, grease, garage, tools, and wheels. Let's see here. Anything else on this packaging I can read off to you? All right, we're going to read directly from the back of the box. It's a dirty world out there. Attack the mess with Crocodile Cloths, the biggest, toughest, fiercest disposable cleaning cloths on the planet. Our special dual action cloths are safe on skin and savage on grease, grime, and gunk. They don't just push the dirt around, they absorb it on contact to devour your toughest, I just drooled, devour your toughest messes. Hashtag get messy. So, we're cleaning pretty good. We're all clean. And I gotta say, that's really good. Okay, I want to show you my hands. That is, they don't smell bad. That's weird. They don't smell bad. My hands are a little tacky. If I was to be honest, they're a little tacky. When I'm done using Grip Clean, it's a lot more drier, but guys, I gotta say, dude, I think this cleans it better. Eric.
Come on.
I'm serious. You got dirty hands? Oh, you wear gloves.
Yeah, I was wearing gloves for break.
Look at my hands.
I can go put it to the test quick.
Anti-seize.
There you go.
Anti-seize. All right. Anti-seize. Yeah!
Shit is everywhere.
Who's got the test? If you're really gonna say you're an auto, now I know you should use soap. All right, before we go anywhere, I know I should be using soap. All right, when it comes to this, I should use soap. But let's see how we do. So we're gonna do Grip Clean first, because again, I have a little more faith in Grip Clean just because I've been using it for a while now. But that Crocodile, I'm gonna do one hand. All right. Just the fingers. I can't say that.
I can say it's on my channel.
All right, so Grip Clean is first. Anti-seize on the hands. Oh, we're gonna get it all up in there. There we go. One towel. One towel. Here we go. Dude, like it's not even there. Like it's not even there. Like it's not even there anymore. Seriously. God, that shit's good. All right. Hand number two. Hand number two. One wipe. Bigger wipe. I gotta say, Eric, wow, holy shit. Should I let it sit? Should I let it sit on my hand?
Go poke around the Trans Am for a little bit.
We'll poke around the Trans Am for a little
And
bit.
the engine band on the firewall, just do that because it's grease and oil. That's as dirty as your hand's gonna get. It does.
Crocodile.
Yeah. I'd go swipe your hands. That would be the true test. Because that's oil, grit, that's everything. That's everything you're ever gonna see in a vehicle.
Yeah.
Is on that firewall.
So far, I hate to say it, as much as I like Grip Clean, first off, you can't go wrong with any of these two products. Crocodile Cloth is winning. So now I'm gonna go poke around in Eric's Trans Am real quick, get another test, get my hands really dirty, and do it again. All right, so now we're even darker. We're even darker here. So now this is like really, really thick stuff. I'll add a little anti-seize in there too, huh? So I've got a little anti-seize on my palm. Oh, Jesus. Little palm, got that thick shit in there. There, let's do this. So this is really gonna test the Crocodile Cloth. We're gonna go Crocodile Cloth first because this stuff is really impressive. And it's weird because it's not abrasive, right? It's not abrasive at all. So it's weird that this stuff is just taking it off like nothing. You guys saw how dark my hands were. You guys saw how dark my fingertips were. I think you're going to be amazed by this stuff. And the issue I have now with how good this is versus how much I spent on Grip Clean. So $13.99 times 3 for 90 is what? $42? Something like that? So around $42 with tax and shipping because I had it was like $6 shipping. I'm going to have to use another one because I used a little too much anti-seize. First off, before I show you anything, here's the tips of my fingers. Look at that. Look at that. That's crazy. So I have a little anti-seize on the back side of my hands just because I put a little too much on. You can see here, got some on there. One more cloth. And again, you get 100 of these, right? You get 100 of these. Now, let it be known and let it understand that this is kind of a time where you should be using some soap. Soap would be generally recommended in this type of application where your hands are this dirty, this greasy. You got the anti-seize on there. I gotta say, Crocodile Cloth, you commented on one of my videos. You guys have a great product, I can't deny. I did that Tubbles versus Grip Clean here. And again, you can't go wrong with either product. But by my quick, vast, grease hands, dirty hands judging, these guys win. It's just that simple. They win for price. They win for cleaning. They don't win for smell, but that's minor. If you could do like a citrus, be a little bit like a citrus. Citrus is always nice. So if you could do like a citrus in there instead. But yeah, good shit. Good job, Grip Clean. You guys did great. It's not that I'm not going to use these, but Crocodile Cloth, good job, you guys. You guys, like I said, you commented on my video. You said your stuff was better. I was very like, yeah, okay. Wow, I'm kind of shocked.
I
was doubting. And you guys delivered. So congratulations on Crocodile Cloth. You guys delivered to my followers. I would highly suggest using it. You get this big old bag, 100 count. Just have it sitting there. You can put it in a drawer of your toolbox if you really wanted to. And there you go. And it also says, stays moist or we'll replace it for free. Never dry, guaranteed. That's what it says on the packaging. Now, do they do that? I don't know. Formulate your own opinions on the products you guys like to use and buy. But I'd suggest Crocodile Cloth now. Have a good night. Crocodile Cloth, really? No sticker? Damn.
No sticker.
Still a great product.